friends, welcome to Tech Blooms. Today I am going to explain you about full adder. So why we use full adder? As adding of carry is not possible in half adder, so we have come across to overcome that problem we are using full adder. In full adder we can use that carry. A and B are the general input and this is the carry which we can add. Sum and the carry are the output of the full adder. So we are going to design a logic circuit for full adder. A, B, C are the three variables, so we have combination as 8. So for sum we will have to add, and whatever after adding we get carry we have to write here. So 0 plus 0 is plus 0 will be 0, and since there is no carry it will be 0. 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 1 will be 1, sum will be 1 and carry will be 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, plus 0, sum will be 1 and carry will be 0. 0 plus 1, I will show you here down, 0 plus 1 will be 1 and one more 1 is there, one more 1 will be added here, so it will be 0 carry 1. So we write carry here and 0 here. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 0 it will be, sum will be 1 and carry will be 0. For this 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 1 will be 0 carry 1. Similarly for this 1 plus 1 is 0 carry 1 plus 0, so sum is 0 and carry is 1. For this 1 plus 1 it will be 0 carry 1 plus 1, so sum is 1 and carry will be 1. So these are from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will take an expression for this and expression for carry. We will only take the mean terms. 1 is the mean term and 0 is the max term. I will show you using sum of product. So we will take 1. We will take 1 from the sum which has position for 1 it has 1, for 2 it has 1, for 4 it has 1 and 7 it has 1. Similarly for carry, position 3 has 1, 5, 6 and 7. They both have 1. Here A for 0, since we are taking mean terms, 0 will be with bar. So now from this sum will be for 1 hitters, so A bar, B bar, C plus, for next we have for this is A bar, B, C bar, then for this A, B bar, C bar plus 4 and now 7, A, B and C. Similarly for carry, for 3 A bar, B, C, for 5 it will be A, B bar, C plus A, B, C bar plus A, B and C. So from this expression we are going to design a logic circuit. Before that, since these are too big, we will reduce this using K-man. So K-map is the simple Boolean expression. K-map, simplification of Boolean expression. K-map is graphical representation of truth table. It consists of rows and columns. So since we have 8 variables, so we will have 8 blocks. We go from MSB to LSB. So we write A and B, C in here. So now we will mark the values like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you'll see why we are writing in this order. So for that 0, 0 will have 0, 0 and this 0, 1 we will have 1 and 0, 1, 1 is 3 and 0, 1, 0 is 2. Similarly, when all are 1, A, B, C, that time 7. So for that purpose, we are writing in this order. So since we are doing in SOP, we will only write the min terms. Those are 1. So from here we can see we got 1 for 1, 2, 4 and 7 in sum. So we will write for 1, 4, 2 and 7 we have got 1. In K-map we have to understand that we can pair only 2, 4, 6 and 8. So since we can't pair diagonally, we have to pair them alone like this and write the expression. We will get the similar expression as like this since they are 1, 1. Okay. So for sum it will be A bar B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar plus A B C. Now I will draw expression K-map for carry. So for carry we have 3, 5, 6 and 7 position 1. So 3, 5, 6 and 7. So we can pair them like this. Second pairing will be like this and like this. So from this we will get expression for this one. A is common here, so it will be A. What is common here we will have to check, that is B. And Cin is varying, so we will not write C. Cin. For this, similarly A is common and what is common here is C in. B is not common, it is changing, so we will write C. And for this part A is varying and out of this B and C are common, so for this we will write BC. So it will be AC plus AB plus BC. So from this expression we have reduced using K-map to this. Now from this expression and from this expression I will show you how to draw logic circuit. Since this is multiplication, we will have to use AND gate, and in the last we will have to add all these using OR gate. So first expression is a bar b bar c. So for that I have used, for a bar I have used NOT gate, a bar, then b bar, and the c from here. I'll use AND gate for this. Then a bar b c bar, a bar, then b, then c bar. I got a bar b bar c, a bar b c bar. For third one I have to take a, then b bar from this, and last is c bar, and all this will be a b bar c bar, and last is a b and c. It is a b and c. To end a b and c. Since all are added, I'll use OR gate and take the output of AND gate. So this will be a sum. Carry, we have this expression. So A and then C will be AND. We get AC, AB and B. We will have to AND, get AB and B and C. We get BC, and combining all this output, giving to the input of OR, you will get carry. Please like, share and comment. For more update, stay connected with us, Tech Globes. Thank you.